Hey guys, this is Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So it's the Monday after Thanksgiving and we are finally done with our leftovers. Well, we have some vegetables left, but yay! We're done with birthday festivities because my birthday was this past week and time to get back to real life, don't you think? So let's do my meal plan. So this week, what we're gonna do is basically all the stuff from our childhood that we loved. None of it's gonna be super healthy. We'll have fruit and vegetables with everything, but it's not gonna be crazy healthy. The portions will be much smaller than they were when I was young. Yeah, so let's do this. So the first thing we're going to do, since today is Monday, and I happen to know I have hamburger thawed, so we're going to have hamburger patties. And we have some veg and a couple things left. So tomorrow I'm going to have fried potatoes. No, I think we're going to have hot dogs. And mac and cheese. And Wednesday, that is fried potatoes and beef. Thursday, I have... said he liked sloppy joes as a kid. And then Friday, I think I'm going to do my mother's hamburger surprise. Now, so tonight we're keeping it easy, just doing hamburger patties. We have some veggies to use and some fruit. I have some hot dogs that need to get used up. So this is why we're doing hot dogs with mac and cheese and fruit. That is one of my favorites from when I was a kid. My husband's family growing up was like fried potatoes and beef, or anything with meat and potatoes. One of the things that my mom always did is she would fry potatoes and brown hamburger and onions and peppers and stuff like that. So or onions. That was always one of the favorite things. And I have fruit that I need to use. So, and sloppy joes. What kid doesn't love sloppy joes? I mean, I didn't like sloppy joes as a young person, but I enjoy them now, and I have some stuff for that. So that is what we're going to do. And then the hamburger surprise, I don't really have a name for it, so that's why I call it. But it was my mom's thing with hamburger and cream of mushroom soup and pasta, and it was always so good. So for lunch, we're going to do leftovers every day. And for Saturday, we'll probably do, and sorry, but I happen to know I have groceries for all of this. I know Saturday we'll do hamburger soup, which is something that family did growing up, and that's something that we can use canned vegetables from the pantry and do. And then Sunday I'm just gonna make that a whatever kind of day. Usually one of these nights we'll go out. But okay, so that's the meal plan, and I know it's a kind of a hurried video because, well, it's like almost 6 and I kind of have to figure something out. So yeah, wish me luck.